Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to send money from Cash App to Capital One. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So first thing that you need to do here is you first have to ensure that you've linked an active bank or a debit card into your account. But once you've linked your card or your bank into your Cash App account, you are now ready to proceed on cashing out. Now to do this via the application itself, first thing you need to do is open the application, navigate to the Money tab on your Cash App home screen, and click on Cash Out. Now choose a specific amount and proceed to cash out. Now opt for your desired deposit speed and confirm the transaction with your PIN or Touch ID. Now also you can do this via the online way or via the Cash App online. First thing you need to do here is you need to log in into your Cash App account at cash.app/account. Now on the left side, select money, and under the cash balance, click on cash out. Indicate or enter the desired amount and click continue. Now choose your bank account and preferred deposit speed and click cash out. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.